Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
Hey guys, good morning. Hey guys, what's up? It's the weekend. I hope y'all having a great morning so far. Your girl's just gotten ready, and yeah, it's the long weekend for us over here in Canada. So we are getting ready for what, our Thanksgiving weekend here. Yeah, and look at this one. This one up all night playing game. Look where he is. On the chair. Sleeping.
Oh, no fear.
That's why I forgot I bed at night time. Stop, no fear. What time you got your bed this morning? You see this guy? But think I'm fake cafe usually come down and bother him. So I'm basically been up all night playing video games, and now it's what, almost 9:15. Yeah, your girl's gotta head out quickly. I got an appointment, and then I have an exam that I gotta get to. Oh gosh. So I am just here. I'm gonna go put on some tea. I need some tea in my system. Oh my gosh. I'm back. Who else is open but the rat that's in the house that opens stuff at night when nobody else is downstairs? Alright. So I am just gonna go make some ginger tea. Yeah, Arissa has an appointment today, so gotta take her out to that later on when I get back from school. I don't know if I'm just gonna wait till hubby gets home, but yeah. So I am back to these guys. I can't find this is the instant ginger and honey. What?
Oh, yes, I'm in.
What me say you do? You're lucky Mario. How come Mario didn't wake you up this morning? You should have dashed some cold water upon you down here on the couch. Wake your ass up. So yeah guys, I am back to doing that. Even though I don't like, these are okay, but I'd rather the raw ginger. But the ginger up here, I can't even call that ginger. That is not real ginger, because your girl had that thing sitting in the fridge for almost months, and the taste, like, it's not real ginger, so it tastes totally different. So basically I just have to get myself some proper ginger, but unfortunately I would have to probably go to the West Indian store, and then even still the ginger is not quite as, I find, as like me getting it actually back home where it's the real raw ginger. So yeah, so this one's making her cereal. Lighting off. So yeah, let me open the lines up in here. Yeah. So, and I don't put no sugar in this because this one, it has honey in it, and that's the thing that I said I don't really like it for that, because it has the honey in it. I'd rather it just have the raw ginger alone and no honey. But yeah, so that is what I am up to. I'm just gonna make some tea. I'm not even sure what I'm making for dinner yet. I'm trying to figure out that. Usually it's Friday. Usually it's like every man for themselves on Friday, and sometimes Saturday, but I don't know. I see hamburger helper. I have hamburger helper in here. I could make some of these. Why are you rubbing me down? Everybody have you on camera sleeping. Memphis was like, babe, stop no fear. Stop no.
What?
Because he thought you were troubling him. Look at this one with her bed head. Ew, you brush your teeth.
No.
Wait, so you do downstairs. Go upstairs and brush your teeth.
I want food. I'm hungry.
You're hungry, you want food? That's why you should go brush your teeth and wash your face. You see you look like one. I was gonna say the word, but I don't want nobody think me being insulting. Hello. Go and get yourself together. You know, so you're supposed to get yourself together before you come downstairs.
I went back upstairs.
You have to go upstairs and get yourself together. Hello. Go upstairs. If you go upstairs, go brush your teeth and nasty like. You're coming like that. Hello. That's so gross, Memphis. Close the bathroom door, please. So, yeah. So I'm just doing that. And I guess I will tune back in when... Yeah, probably after my exam is done, I will probably tune back in. And when we are out, probably doing some groceries. Okay guys, so we just got back. I've started sorting out everything and I just finished my pasta. And I'm about to do some mango chicken. Yeah, so we're trying some mango chicken for the first and seeing how that is going. So yeah, that is what your girl is up to. So I'm getting dinner started before hubby gets home, so at least dinner hopefully would be ready by the time he gets here. So yeah, I'm gonna put on this mango chicken and see how this bad boy is doing. So I got two separate, I got chicken in there to do some mango chicken, and I'm also doing some pasta, chicken pasta as well. So, and I'm doing like a little bit of rice with the mango chicken just to see how that turns out. We haven't tried it and I was like, okay, let me, try something new. It's nice to sometimes try something new. We'll see how hubby likes it. Yeah, we'll definitely see how he likes it. It's more like always him I'm worried about when I make new things and him learning to try new things. But that's why I made it with breast, so then it's a little bit, hopefully a little bit easier. And yeah, hopefully he will try it and enjoy it. Woo, this stove is hot, boy. It is real hot. Ow! Oh gosh, the house is on fire. The house is on fire. Alright. Okay, maybe I'll get some more of this chicken stuff. Oh, shit's so good. Hey guys, yeah, so basically everything is almost done. My rice is finished and my chicken is almost finished there. So I'm gonna transfer that into that pot over there and then put it back on the stove. The other chicken, my mango chicken, is almost finished and it tastes delicioso already because I've tried it. You know, when you're cooking, you gotta make sure that you're trying what you cook. You don't want to cook something. The worst thing is you to cook something for the first time and you're like, ew, that tastes gross. So yeah, but it tastes really good and I add like my own little twist on it, which is nice to give it that much of a flavor. It was missing a few little things, so I just added some stuff to it. But now it's on point. It is on point. And I'm about to make some cheesy bread, homemade. I was gonna make homemade garlic bread, but hubby's not really a big fan. He doesn't like garlic, so yeah, I'm not gonna make none of that, but I'm gonna definitely going to do. Okay, so this is done. I can transfer this into the other pot over there and then put it back on the stove to make it simmer down some more. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix the pasta with that, and yes, that is what I'm going to do. So I think I'm gonna put the oven on. So I got hardo bread here and I got another slice. Got my cheese, And yeah, so I got my cheese and stuff, so let me get to this. So I got my cheesy bread here ready to go in the oven. I'm having it preheat, and I got my other chicken almost done. That is that mango chicken. And so I have my pasta here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to mix all of this inside here and then put it on and let it sit, and the rice is finished. So yeah, I'm gonna be back. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna head up, take a shower, and finish up dinner. Well, maybe I'll leave. Actually, no, I thought about leaving Memphis to watch the dinner, but last time he burnt it up, so I learned my lesson. I'm probably gonna have to get Faith to come and watch it so I can go shower. And yeah, I will be back in a second just as I finish showering to show you guys what the finished products of dinner look like. I made such a big meal tonight because your girl ain't cooking tomorrow or maybe the next day. I'm waiting for Thanksgiving dinner, and then I'm just gonna do because we're gonna cook big that day. And you know how your girls throw down in the kitchen when it comes to Thanksgiving or Easter or Christmas dinner. It's always big. So that's what I will be doing. And yeah, and I am just mixing it all up. Yeah, so we got one full pot of pasta with Memphis's greedy hand trying to get in it. Yeah, so that is what is going on. I'm just finished mixing it out. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And then I can't wait to put the cheesy breads in the oven. And yeah, that will be great. So this is pretty much done. I'm just gonna leave it on for it to simmer down a little bit and just mix, and that's it. And yeah, the mango chicken is pretty much done as well.
Mango chicken.
Yeah, that one's mango chicken. So I tried something new tonight. So everybody can try a little bit of it.
I don't want
Mango chicken with the rice, and see how that turns out. So your girl is all showered and fresh, and look, that's my cheesy bread all there, and I have my mango chicken already, and the pasta to go, and rice is all done. So your girl is about to dish dinner, and we're about to eat because it's family night. So we'll be watching a movie, and then that's probably about it. So yeah, because your girl got a whole heap of studying to do this weekend and stuff. So that is what your girl is up to. So I just wanted to come by and close off this vlog. And yeah guys, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl, and press that notification button to be the first to be notified when we upload a video. And we will talk to you in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. A blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and